Yes, good morning all of you and welcome to the class. As you all know that yesterday we had started the chapter The Little Girl. It was a very interesting chapter about the girl whose name was Kezia, and you all know what the story was about. It was about a girl who was having a fear that we can say उसे थोड़ा सा डर था किससे by the behavior of her father. Father से थोड़ा सा उसे डर लगता था, but actually it was not that. That was a slight fear, but later on she was able to understand and she was able to develop understanding with her father. And she realized that नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. She used to think कि उसके father बहुत strict हैं, but a time comes कि उसके ये सारे doubts जो हैं they become clear. वो सारे doubts उसके clear हो जाते हैं. So the little girl Kezia was afraid of her father, and she was so afraid that whenever she was to talk to her father, she used to stutter. वो हमेशा क्या करती थी? स्टटर करती थी. She used to stutter. ठीक है? स्टटर समझते हो? हकलाने लगते हैं जब हम. Now, but father has a daily routine that whenever he goes to office, he used to meet her daughter, used to kiss her and go to the office. And later, when he comes back, he used to lie down and relax on the sofa. Kezia used to take off her boots and he used to drink coffee or tea, read newspaper and everything like these goes on. Now one day what happened, she was making a birthday present for her father as under the guidance of her grandmother, and she just advised her कि काम करो, make a pin cushion for your father with a yellow silk cloth that was provided to her by her grandmother. उसने बहुत अच्छा सा एक पिन कुशन बनाया. नाउ द थिंग वाज टाइम आ गया कि आप उस पिन कुशन में स्टफ क्या करोगे. दैट वाज अ बिग थिंग. So the time of stuffing came and she was just looking for the things जिससे कि वो कुछ stuffing करेगी. So she was not able to find any scraps or anything. But later, when she enters into her mother's room just to look for the things, she comes across few papers on the side table of mother's bed. And they were very fine paper. She takes those paper, shred into very tiny pieces, and उसके बाद में उसने क्या किया? उसने उन papers को उस pin cushion के अंदर stuff कर दिया and stitched it from the fourth side, and the pin cushion was ready. Now one day she heard few cries, मतलब रोने चिल्लाने की आवाजें आई. रोने चिल्लाने की मतलब गुस्से की आवाजें आई उसे, like somebody is shouting. Now she just went and see कि हुआ क्या. Now, the father's important paper, a few important paper of the father, that were the speech for some authority sort of कोई organization था, वहाँ का उसके father का एक speech था, that speech was missing. वो papers miss हो गए थे. Now everybody was searching all through the house कि कहीं से तो मिले, but they were not able to find that. Now mother came to Kezia's room and asked Kezia that have you seen your father's papers? So Kezia says, yes, I took them and I tore them off and I just stuffed them in the pin cushion that I have made for my father. Now listening this, Kezia's mother ordered her to come down and she told her father that your papers have been shredded by Kezia. Now father was so angry that he came to Kezia's room with a ruler in his hand. Scale लेके आए वो केजिया की पिटाई करने के लिए. उस स्केल से उन्होंने केजिया की पिटाई की. That was the biggest and the worst cruel act by the father. वो सबसे cruel act था father से. And after that ना केजिया अपने father को देखते ही अपने हाथ पीछे कर लेती. She was so scared and डर के मारे उसका पूरा face कैसा हो जाता, red एकदम. Now one day Kezia saw her neighbor playing with her children. उन्होंने आप एक दिन केजिया ने अपने नेबर्स को देखा एंड द नेबर जो मैन थे नेबर में ही वाज प्लेइंग विद द किड्स. वो अपने बच्चों के साथ क्या कर रहे थे? खेल रहे थे. ठीक है. नाउ वहीं पे एट दिस पॉइंट वी हैव स्टॉप्ड इट, राइट? नाउ जस्ट अ सेकंड, पेज आ जाने दो हमारा. Okay, so see now. Yes. So one day Kezia ने क्या देखा? Kezia saw that the neighbor was playing with the children and केजिया को बहुत ऐसा फील हुआ दैट व्हाई मेरे फादर ऐसे क्यों नहीं है, ठीक है। एंड शी वाज वेरी अपसेट टू सी दैट देयर शी फाइंड दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट सॉर्ट्स ऑफ फादर, बहुत तरह के फादर्स होते हैं। देयर आर फादर्स लाइक मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड, देयर आर फादर लाइक माय फादर, मेरे फादर के जैसे भी फादर है, who does not have any emotion or any love for the child। और एक फादर होते हैं जैसे कि मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड्स जैसे फादर, है ना। he has such a great love for who, for the children, for his children, उनके पास अपने बच्चों के लिए कितना प्यार है। बट मेरे फादर के साथ ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। So that was basically at that point जब केजिया को ऐसे लगा yes that there are different sorts of father। yes yes so see यहाँ पे आप you can see the stanza 9 from here we have to start for today। The McDonalds lived next door, they had 5 children। Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girls saw them playing tag in the evening। Now McDonald's जो थे उनके neighbor, they were the just next door neighbors थे वो उनके, and उनके 5 children थे। And looking through a gap में से जब उन्होंने देखा in the fence, the little girls saw them playing tag। उस छोटी बच्ची ने, little girl, who's the little girl? Kezia। Kezia saw them that they were playing tag। Tag is basically a game of catching one another। आप पकड़म पकड़ाई खेलते हो ना, the same game is known as tag। In the evening they were playing। Now look at how the 5 children were just hanging around with the father। The father with the baby Mao on his shoulders, 2 little girls hanging onto his coat pockets, ran round and round the flower beds, shaking with laughter। हंसी खेलते हुए, और वो बच्चे, एक बच्चा फादर के शोल्डर्स पे है, 2 बच्चे फादर की कोट पॉकेट्स पे लटके हुए हैं, and the other ones are just running around and they are laughing and having a very happy time। Once she saw the boys turn the hose on him, और एक बार उसने देखा कि बॉयज ने अपने फादर की तरफ they have just hose उन्होंने टर्न कर दिया, but still the father he tries to catch them laughing all the time। तब भी फादर ने गुस्सा नहीं किया, but instead he tried to catch them laughing all the time। Then it was she decided that there were different sorts of father। यही था वो समय that Kezia decided that there were different sorts of father। बहुत अलग अलग तरह के फादर होते हैं। Suddenly one day, suddenly एक दिन क्या हुआ, mother became ill, मम्मी बीमार हो गई, and she and the grandmother went to hospital। और वो और उसकी grandmother कहाँ गए? Hospital। They went to hospital। Okay। Now suddenly one day mother became ill and she and the grandmother went to hospital। Who became ill? Mother। And who went to the hospital? Mother and grandmother। So Kezia was what? Kezia was left alone। So the little girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook। That was all right in the daytime। Now little girl को घर में अकेला छोड़ा गया with Alice, Alice के साथ में। And who was Alice? Alice was their cook। cook के साथ में उसको अकेला छोड़ दिया इन्होंने। Now that was all right in the daytime। दिन में तो सब ठीक था, ठीक है। But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid। लेकिन जब एलिस जो थी उसे सुलाने के लिए बिस्तर पे लेकर गई, Kezia suddenly grew afraid। And before that you can just look at the picture। ये जो यहाँ पे एक बच्ची फेंसेस के थ्रू देख रही है, you can see who she is Kezia। And you can see Mr. McDonald with the 5 children। Boy Mao, baby Mao was sitting on the shoulders। आप देख पा रहे हो। 2 little girls, they were just hanging with the coat pockets। And वो जो 2 छोटे जो boys थे उनके, they were just, you can see they were happy running around their father and enjoying and laughing with him। They were having a happy time। Now, well, what I'll do if I have a nightmare, she asked। Now Kezia ने पूछा अपनी कुक से, एलिस से, जब उसको सुलाने के लिए आई, कि अगर मुझे रात को कोई बुरा सपना आ गया तो मैं क्या करूंगी? I often have nightmares and then Granny takes me into her bed and she says कि मुझे अक्सर ना nightmares आते हैं, बुरे सपने आते हैं। And Granny always takes me into her bed। तब मुझे हमेशा Granny अपने साथ बेड पे ले जाती है, अपने साथ सुलाने के लिए, ठीक है। I can't stay in the dark, it's all get whispery. मैं नहीं, I just can't stay in the dark. मैं नहीं अंधेरे में रह सकती, I just can't stay in the dark, it gets whispery. मुझे उसमें अजीब अजीब आवाजें आने लगती है, and that scares me a lot. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice. Alice ने बोला, you just go to sleep, child, तुम बस सो जाओ. Pulling off her socks, उसके socks उतार दें, don't scream and wake your poor pa. उसने बोला, और चिल्ला के अपने बेचारे पापा को उठा मत देना, तुम समझ में आ गई ना तुम्हें. So sleep peacefully, आराम से सोती रहना. So now further what they said. Now, but the same old nightmare came. But हुआ क्या? वो same old nightmare आ गया. The butcher with a knife and a rope. उसको जो एक nightmare आता ना, what was it about? एक butcher होता है, उसके पास knife और rope होती है. Who came nearer and nearer, जो पास आता रहता है. Smiling that dreadful smile, अपनी बहुत ही dreadful सी smile के साथ में. When she could not move, जब वो move नहीं कर पाती, could only stand still, वो बस वहीं खड़ी रह जाती है. क्राइंग आउट, चिल्लाती रहती है, तो वो बचा नहीं पाती अपने आप को. सो दिस इज द नाइटमेयर, एक बुरा सपना. अब सडनली उस बुरे सपने के समय क्या होता है, जैसे वो चिल्लाती है ग्रैंडमा ग्रैंडमा, एंड शी वोक शिवरिंग, वो डरती हुई उठती है. ठीक है, जस्ट शिवरिंग, कांपने लग जाती है. शी यूज्ड टू शिवर विद द स्केयर टू सी फादर बिसाइड हर बेड. एंड वो जब चिल्लाई एंड शी वोक शिवर टू सी, उसने देखा फादर उसके पास में है, कैंडल इन हिज हैंड, और उनके हाथ में क्या है, एक कैंडल. So what is it? कि same nightmare उसको आज भी आया. And what was the nightmare? There was a butcher. He had a knife and a rope in his hand, who came nearer and nearer, बहुत ही dreadful सी smile के साथ में. And when she was not able to move, could only stand still, she just cried out, "Grandma, grandma!" But grandma was not at home. Who was at home? Father. So when she woke up shivering, वो डरते हुए जब उठी तो उसने देखा the father was standing beside her bed and he was having a candle in his hand. What's the matter? He said. उसने बोला, क्या हुआ, तू चिल्ला रही हो? What happened? Oh, a butcher, a knife. I want granny. ना बच्ची ने बोला, अब वो a butcher, a knife, मुझे मेरी granny चाहिए. Please call my granny. He blew out the candle, bent down and caught up the child in his arms. अब उन्होंने कैंडल को तो ब्लू आउट कर दिया, दैट इज उन्होंने फूंक मार के उस कैंडल को बुझा दिया. And he bent down, झुका and caught up the child in his arm, और उस बच्ची को अपने हाथ में उठा लिया. Carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom, और उस बच्ची को along the passage he just carried up and अपने big bedroom तक वो ले गए. A newspaper was on the bed. Newspaper was lying on the bed. He put away the paper. उन्होंने उस पेपर को he just put away. Then carefully tucked up the child. बहुत carefully बच्ची को उन्होंने लिटाया. And then carefully tucked up the child and he lay down beside her, and also उसके पास में ही वो खुद भी सो गई. Half asleep still. वो बच्ची अभी भी आधी नींद में थी. Still with the butcher smile all about her, it seemed. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे she is still remembering that butcher smile and she is still scared. She crept close to him. वो crept होके ना close चली गई अपने father के. Snuggled her head under his arms, और ऐसे उसने हक कर लिया अपने फादर को, स्नगल कर लिया, because she was scared, and held tightly to his shirt, और उनकी शर्ट को टाइटली उसने पकड़ लिया. ठीक है. Then the dark did not matter. फिर वो जो डार्कनेस थी एटमॉस्फेयर में आसपास, वो डार्कनेस उसको माहौल में वो मैटर नहीं की. She lay still, और वो बिल्कुल स्टिल लेटी रही. Here, rub your feet against my leg and get them warm, said father. Father ने बोला, अपनी फीट को मेरी लेग्स के अगेंस्ट रब कर लो एंड मेक देम वार्म. ठंडे हो रहे हैं तुम्हारे पैर. ठीक है, फादर ने बोला. ट्राइड आउट, टायर्ड आउट, थके हुए थे. ही स्लेप्ट बिफोर द लिटिल गर्ल. फादर बहुत थके थे. कभी उस छोटी बच्ची को तो नींद नहीं आई, बट फादर फेल्ट asleep. फादर सो गए. फनी फीलिंग केम ओवर हर. एक बहुत ही फनी सी फीलिंग आई केजिया को. She says, poor father, बेचारे फादर, not so big, इतने बड़े भी नहीं है, after all, and with no one to look after him, and उनको तो look after करने के लिए कोई नहीं है. मुझे तो look after करने के लिए कितने लोग हैं, फादर को look after करने के लिए तो कोई नहीं है. He was harder than grandmother, but it was a nice hardness. और वो grandmother से ज्यादा hard है. Obvious सी बात है, फीमेल और मेल में हार्डनेस में फर्क तो होता है. तो ये says कि वो मेरी grandmother से ज्यादा hard है. But this hardness was very nice, and every day he had to work and work too. tired to be Mr. McDonald's और every day उनको बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है, इतना हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है that he is too tired कि वो मैकडोनल्ड्स नहीं बन सकते मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड. She had torn up all his beautiful writings. She stood suddenly and sighed, and she had just torn up जितनी beautiful writings थी वो. She stood suddenly and she sighed, and जैसे उसने एक ठंडी सी ऐसे आह भरी ना. Father again asked her, "What's the matter? अब क्या हुआ? Another dream? एक और सपना आ गया क्या तुम्हें?" "Oh," said the little girl. उसने बोला, "Oh, my head on your heart." Now she says, "My head's on your heart. I can hear it going." मुझे आपकी हार्ट बीट चलती हुई सुनाई दे रही है. What a big heart you have got, father dear. कितना बड़ा दिल है आपके पास में, father dear. And she says so. And now at this point we can say that एक understanding develop हो गई, एक fear जो था वो चला गया. So this was, we can say that she lay still with him and she realized that her father had got a big heart. उसके father जो है उनके पास भी एक बहुत big heart है. But he was tired, he was very hardworking. That is why he did not have that time to spend with the family, to spend with the child, to enjoy with them. But that does not make him a bad father. He was a good father and he also had a big heart. बहुत बड़ा दिल था, बहुत caring थे, बहुत good human being थे. But she was afraid because at this point she was unaware of this thing. But once she became aware, she had an understanding and she too knows that her father was also a very nice man. Okay, so अब एक बार इसके question answers देखते हैं. We'll see to it.